if you also reset your hard drive and lost all of your data. Normally when you installing new Windows or any other OS, you made a simple mistake and delete all of your data. So here is how you can recover your data from deleted hard drive. You can also recover data from your damaged partition. Before that, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribe and click the bell icon for any latest updates. So let's get started. First, let me show you my hard drives. Simply right click on Windows icon and click Disk Management. Here you can see I have one SSD and one HDD. So if you delete your data from your Windows hard drive, like I have my data on my SSD, but when I install Windows, it will be deleted. You can also recover it. And if you reset or delete your hard drive which didn't have Windows installed, simply right click the deleted hard drive and make one partition of it. Now click the link in the description. From here, download this file. When the file downloaded, right click on it and click Extract Files. Now you have to download this software. Simply right click and click Run an Administrator. Now launch the tool. You can see from here you can recover deleted photos and videos, recover damaged partition and recover lost partition. So you delete your hard drive and lost all partitions and data. So click Lost Partition. From here, select your hard drive. Let me select my SSD which have my Windows installed and click Recover. It may take some time according to your data. You can see it will be showing you all your deleted partitions. Simply select the partition from which you want to recover your data. Click the Show Files option. Now before recovering your data, click the Register button. Go to your downloaded file. Here is the serial keys file. Simply copy any key and paste in the mini tool. Now you can recover unlimited data from mini tool. Now select the folder you want to recover. Right click and hit Recover. From here, select where you want to save the recovery file. Your file is recovered. You can save it now in Google Photos or anywhere. Some of the files that this software recovers may be corrupted. Files that are corrupted will be lost forever. They will not run with any software, nor will they be recoverable with any other software. But it recovers most of the files safely. If this video helpful for you, then click the like and subscribe for any latest updates.